kan chung ngáp cô nữa kan work out đồn này kan tàn đồn chắc không tỏ lẽ mày
in com train. I had a driver pakatian in Mino Lave, Rotia, and Lavia. Yeah. Nam Kebe?
Raul,
Huh?
Raul.
Raul? Ah, so you can. Yeah, my channel. Okay.
कल तक डल जाएगी वीडियो
हाँ
सर्च में सर्च
coronation park a hen in kan work out don ni vin chu tan don ni really how are you
fine
fine
okay बिल्कुल
बिल्कुल ठीक है
बिल्कुल ठीक
Okay guys, if you come to Delhi, the one important thing that you have to know is this one. You can see that there is a garbage dump on the left side. Around here, there. You see? Wow! What do you think about this garbage dump in the roadside?
Actually, it is about it's for last 5 years,
Yeah.
and I think that government should take the step. But actually, after writing the letters and more about that,
Yeah.
they are just ignoring it, and it's growing day by day.
Yeah.
As you can see in the Karnal bypass, and many other garbage dumps are going to
Yeah.
just elaborate and just expand. And so government should take some steps.
Yeah. You can do it better, right?
Yes.
We can make it India better.
Yeah.
Thank you, Bang. Here in police playground in Khelturum Kalpedona, no pang pani kabula here in Chua, no pang don tak tak ni. You are friend, right?
yes
You are friend, yeah. So, तुम कहाँ पे खेलना चाहते हैं? बैडमिंटन कहाँ पे? स्टेडियम में? अच्छा.
national champion
He's national champion.
yes
Oh.
अभी
नाम क्या है?
सुमित
सुमित. So, 15 years old. Khá tốt này. Okay. So, high five. Tôi là Hen Park. Sao không là rốt đó? Tôi là Hian Police Playground na. Khelturum Kalpedona. Hello guys, Johanna kan ya. Mizo thalai ta hian inge ka ti thei ve mo ti hian kai resort reng thei na Delhi a le khazirin kan ma vai ho nun dan phung inge an mason na konga anin elna ai elna sakji tam tak kan huwa competition na samani kan rola uthina Mizo thalai te Mizorama ti tur mm shelo in kanom tam ti thu kan ngai tha na sathina chu Delhi ating anoma vai ho phung tak takin an ro tilang sel do da anin thil sang sang anin tlan sir na sabji ate ante te tanga an thil lo yusir tir chhodan te nikina kan na tilang sel anga tin Mizo thalai te tan inge hela hian eng thil thang e ti te kha ro ti lan kan tum je langa thil tha tak tak kan ron chop chok zel don ni thil mu nam tak tak kan ron chop chok zel don ni chu wang chuan lo subscribe kan che lo like la lo kan thin la lo share la MIZO thalai te hi India ra ma hian a thaber kan ni thei ni kan thua ka thei no hi explore tla kan ni ti lan chhu tla kan ni lo chun heng lai hin kan thir ni te hi lo chhu ti ro amuna hin han che che la thei tam tak sum le pai ko ma po sum le pai ro chhu na du tam tak mon oh I'm going to show you something. I don't know who is she, but I can say she's doing great.
Last 1 year since I began this show, viewers, I have never, ever been this angry. Is it any wonder that every conversation we have in our country is about religion? That every conversation in our country is about our differences? That all types, we've just been taught to hate each other? We've been taught that the Muslims are violent, that the Christians want to convert everybody, that the Hindus want to take over. Who's teaching us this? Stop for a second and ask yourself, who's teaching us this? When was the last time you had a decent conversation from a politician about jobs, about farmers, about demonetization, for heaven's sake? We currently have a situation where the finance minister, the RBI governor, and the economic advisor to the government are making statements about each other like the three of them cannot get on a phone call and sort out their differences. Who's going to talk about that? Who's going to talk about the fact that every day in our newspaper there is a news story about banks that are losing money, our money? Who's willing to have that conversation? Governments are supposed to supply us with education, with health, with clean air, clean water, and affordable food. This is the basic requirement. There isn't a single thing on that list that any one Indian is getting today. Do you realize that? That you want to have about my religion? Go to hell. My religion is not your business. My caste is not your business. The air pollution is your business. The water pollution is your business. The fact that over a third of this country goes to bed without food is your business. And let you sell our democracy for your cheap political gains. All of you, whoever you are, bring it on. Bring on your lies. Mirror now is waiting.
That's all. If you like the video, subscribe my channel, like it, share it, leave a comment in the comment section below. Lo like la, lo subscribe la, lo share la. Cái là don dia.